Hello students, good morning everybody. We are going to start the new chapter, that is construction of quadrilaterals. See, quadrilateral that is a polygon having four sides. Here just go to directly in the exercise 17a. See here number 1 it is given, construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is given 4.2 semi, BC is given 6 semi, CD is given 5.2 semi, DA is given 5 semi and AC is given 8 semi. So, we have to construct with this data. Just before going to start your construction, you need to understand actually with the help of rough sketch of the quadrilateral. Now, what is rough sketch? Before just going to construct anything, if you could understand how to just do this construction part step by step, it will be easier and accurate in one step. So, it is required to do the rough drawing. Suppose it is given ABCD is a quadrilateral. So, ABCD it will be just coming like this. And how to draw this one? Just take AB here, then BC as well as AC, these two arc over here, and it is just intersect at point C. You will get point C over here. After that, just centering A and C, just measuring AD and DC, just get another two arc intersecting at point D. Now join AD and DC, ABCD quadrilateral will form. This is actually called a rough drawing. Now it will be very much easier for you to draw right now. See here, I am now drawing the sides over here first. That is all the sides over here, that is AB. AB it is just get 4.2 semi. This is 4.2 semi. This is AB is given. Then BC equal to 6.6 semi. This is 6 semi. This is BC. CD is given 5.2 semi. CD and DA is given 5 semi. DA is given 5 semi. This is DA and AC, finally AC is given 8 semi. This is 8 semi. Just start from here and this is AC. Now these are all the dimensions of the quadrilateral. Now take the base AB over here. Just take any line over here. See, just given this point A and suppose P. From AP, draw AB. This is AB. It has come AB. Now AC and BC. AC and BC means measuring BC, just take one arc over here, and AC 8 semi, you are just getting another arc over here. So this point is now coming as C. Join BC. Now from C and from A, measuring measuring CD and DA, we are now draw two arc over here. CD, it is coming here CD, and DA, that is AD, it has come over here, that is AD. You will get this point, intersecting point at D. Now join AD and DC. So this is AC, you can just put it like over here, AC. So your required ABCD quadrilateral already drawn. So in this way you can draw any quadrilateral with the help of, that is what are actually the dimensions are given. Once again I am just telling you very briefly. See, there are 4 sides of these quadrilaterals are given and 1 diagonal is given. So here just taking any side AP, from AP measuring this AB, just make one arc over here AB, and taking AC and BC over here, this arc, two arcs are intersecting at point C, you will get point C over here. Then from C and from A get CD and DA, 2 arcs, it will be intersecting at point D, draw AD and DC. This ABCD required quadrilateral is drawn over here. This is number 1. Now take number 7, because 1 to 6 are same as it is. Now we are getting the another different way, different procedure how to just construct another type of quadrilateral. See, number 7 it is given, construct a quadrilateral ABCD whose AB equal to BC equal to 3.5 semi. This is also 3.5 semi, and AD and BC equal to 5.2 semi, 5.2 semi, and angle ABC angle 120 degree. So this is our rough sketch. I told you how to just do it. This rough sketch is actually helping you a lot. Just take any side over here and take AB from here and draw 120 degree over here, and just get also 3.5 from here and just get the point C. After getting this point C, just take 5.2 as the radius and just get 2 arcs over here, one A and C, because these two are same. You will get point D. Join AD and DC, you will get the required quadrilateral. Now we are going to start this one. So how to just draw this one? See, take this AB and AB equal to BC equal to 3.5. This is 3.5 and this is 5.2, means this is 5.2. That is AB and BC are same, and AD and CD are same. Take any line over here. Take any line over here. From here AP, and from AP cut AB. Cut AB. So this point is AB. We see actually this measurement is 3.5 semi. This is 3.5 semi. 3.5 semi. This is 5.2 semi. Okay, just cut AB from here. Now we are just drawing 120 degree at point B, because ABC angle is given 120. Just get this, take any suitable arc and cut it from here. Once it is giving you 60 degree, another it is giving you 60 here, and this is cut it off because this is now bisected the 60, it is coming 30 degree. So this is not required the 90 degree, because 60 120, and this actually angle is measurement is 120 degree, and draw this line maybe BE. Okay, from BE we can cut from here, that is 3.5, which is equal to AB. So this point is cutted over here, and that point is C. Now from C and A, this is actually 5.2. 5.2 is the measurement of AD and CD. AD equal to CD 5.2. So AD is 5.2. This is one arc, and this is also CD also 5.2, another arc, and these two arcs intersect at point D. Now join AD and DC. Join AD and DC. So this is your required quadrilateral ABCD. Thank you very much.